Assalamu alaikum class. How are you? All of you are fine. Yes class. Yes, are you enjoying your holidays? And are you reading at home? Learning? Okay, fine. Class, what is the day today? Today is Thursday. THURS Thursday, Thursday, comma 17 December, comma 2020. How's weather like today? Today is foggy day. Okay class, let's revise. Days of week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now revise. Month's name. How many months in a year? There are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. Now revise. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay. How many weathers? How many weathers? 4 or 5? There are 5 weathers. Sunny day, foggy day, windy day, rainy day, cloudy day. Okay, fine. Okay class, now come to the keywords. Revise this. I hope that all of you have learned these. Yes, keywords: mouse, spouse, louse, house, blouse, arouse. MOUSE mouse, SPOUSE spouse, LOUSE louse, HOUSE house, BLOUSE blouse, AROUSE arouse. Now come to the sentence of the week. I have taken bath today. Sentence of the week: I have taken bath today. Okay, fine. Okay, now come to the manner of the week. Your manner of the week is: brush your teeth twice a day, in the morning and at night. In the morning and at night. Let's revise. Paragraph: an apple. Now all of you revise. An apple. It is an apple. Its color is red. Its taste is sweet. It makes us healthy. I like to eat it. There are some difficult words in paragraph like color, COLOUR, color, TASTE, taste, SWEET, sweet, MAKES, makes, HEALTHY, healthy, EAT, eat. I hope that you all will revise this. Fine. Okay, let's revise some difficult words from here. FIELDS, fields, TRWS, trees, HOUSE, houses, can't, again, 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 PLACE, place, SHALL, shell, WHERE, where, STREM, stream, WAITING, waiting, BEHIND, behind, PROPERLY, properly, doesn't. What is this? Doesn't. REACHED, reached, PLEASED, pleased, CHANGE, change, ENGINE, engine, MIDDLE, middle, couldn't, STOPPED, stopped, USUAL, usual, PUSHED, pushed. Let's revise colors name. RED, 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 PURPLE, 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 YELLOW, 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 ORANGE, orange, BLUE, blue. Yes, UKG class, now come to the topic. Yes, I have given you dictation line number 5 for learning. Okay, all of you will do dictation on your English classwork copies. Number 1, lock. Number 1, lock. Number 1, lock. Number 2, past. Number 2, past. Number 2, past. Number 3, thorn. Number 3, thorn. Okay, UKG class, now it's your reading time. Okay, we start an activity. Here are some cards, reading cards. I will tell you some difficult words. You will find them. The difficult words I will tell you. Yes, here are some difficult words. All of you will find here. Want, want, want. Water. All of you will find water. Yes. What is this? Water. What is this? Water. 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 Now find here. This is here. No. Is this? No. This is here. Her ear here. Her ear here. HERE here. HERE here. Now find look. This is look. No. This is look. Yes. LOOK look. LOOK look. Yes. Find all of you like. Yes. This is like.